Hey guys, my name is Rick. Today I will show how to download the Bixby package. But before we look at the system requirements, you need Android 7.1 at last and Samsung phone. Attention! Only the Bixby Home it will work. The Bixby Voice only on running S7 mobile. If it does not work after the installation, you will find the launcher on the link in the description. Put it on the phone. Start! You will find the Bixby package on the link in the description. Install the zip file. Okay, I am installed. After open my files and unzip Bixby apps update. I have a Bixby home, but you need install. So install. Okay. Bixby surveys. Install. All install after on Bixby home. Open, start, processing. I have read and agreed to terms and conditions of the home service tick. Tadam! Hello, okay. Thanks for watching. If like it, press the like button and subscribe my channel.